What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. We are headed down to Athens, Tennessee today for the Down in Mexico meet. This is a new group of people that I haven't actually hung out with before. I'm not really sure what to expect, but hopefully it'll be a good time. And you know, I got some friends that we're gonna meet up with along the way, so there'll be some familiar faces, but it should be a lot of new faces, and overall looking forward to it. So I'll check back when I'm there. We have arrived in Mexico. Just kidding, we're in Athens. In Athens Regional Park. Actually, kind of a decent turnout for a new meet. Huh? No habla inglés. D-Burg, GT3.Asian, lady driven Z06. It's clean. C6.
That's a good looking collar.
Yeah, that is good.
Collar.
That is nice. Old Porsche, nice. Gixxer. Sometimes I miss my motorcycle, and then I realize that I like being alive.
Oh.
Oh. Stay out of the photographer's way, guys.
Lee gets them all. I don't have to worry about missing anything.
What?
Lee takes all the pictures.
Man.
And he'll have them posted in 5 minutes
right
flat
here.
later.
We need to post this to Christian, you know?
Oh yeah, true that.
Who is it?
Christian with the blue skyline.
Oh.
Fire department's here, in case anyone lights their car on fire in the parking lot, I guess.
Yeah.
Speed 3?
If it wasn't so hot, more people would be here.
Yeah, well, it's nice now. Now the sun went down.
Not bad.
It was hot before. It was real hot before. Doggies.
Pretty baby.
So cute. Little C6 action. A lot of C6s here. A lot of C6s.
Should have brought mine. Purple Rabbit on.
I would have brought the Viper if I had an extra person to drive one of my cars. You know, it's quality over quantity, right? Like, it's not the biggest, but there's a lot of good stuff here. But we're here, and there's a lot of good stuff, and we're in the way. We got 2 M cars over here. C6. So what do you say? This one's pro-charged and's got a 200 shot. This maroon one.
I think the blue one's pro-charged too.
Oh, it's RPP too. That's the shop that did Chase Car, right?
Yes, in the Kentucky.
Yeah, some Mickey's on it. It's got slicks on it. It is a base model, technically.
Like me.
That's true. Yeah, she has a C6 also.
Base model, modded out.
Modded out.
Sneaky.
Sneaky. Sleeper.
Sleeper.
Yeah. Yours is really a sleeper too, because especially with the black, it just
wide
looks.
body.
Yeah, it kind of just looks like a stock Z06, but it's nasty. It'll move.
She's a beast. She moves.
Yeah, that's the tag. True. She does move. This is the color of what my C6 was. I miss my C6, man. I should have kept it. I gotta get another one at some point. I was gonna say, yeah, RPP cars, huh? We were like some of the first people here. We rolled in squad deep and nobody was here. And I'm sweaty because the sun was still up when we got here and it was hot. Guess I should do the drone, huh?
Yeah, do the drone.
Might as well do the drone. I think this is the turnout, so let's get in the air. So I didn't even get to film, but there was actually, it was a pretty cool meet. There's a lot of cool people here and stuff. We'll probably come back.
Yeah.
This will probably end up being like a 3-minute YouTube video, but that's okay.
It's the first time being in Mexico.
First time in Mexico?
Yeah, first time in Mexico.
And
Yeah.
no racing went down.
And no racing went down. Actually, legitimately no racing. It actually was, it was pretty cool.
It's a legitimate car show.
It was a nice car meet, good quality stuff, pretty cool. And yeah, we'll be back. So
Until next time.
until next time, hope this video is entertaining. See you guys next time.